How to transfer money from Zelle to Apple Pay. First, inside the wallet, you can see all the payment methods linked to it and the payment methods you can use when making a payment with Apple Pay. Keep in mind that Apple Pay is not a bank, which means you can't keep a balance in your account. While you can store Apple Cash as a balance, Apple Pay itself is not a bank. Due to how Zelle works, being an integration within US-based banks, it's not currently possible to transfer money directly from Zelle to Apple Pay. The workaround is to transfer money from Zelle to a bank account, and then you can withdraw or add the money to your Apple Cash balance with that bank account. Aside from this workaround, it is not possible to transfer money directly from Zelle to Apple Pay. This video aims to clear up any confusion by explaining why it's not possible and offering the only workaround available. And if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.